1997 Dodge Caravan. This is turn signal switch, windshield wiper switch replacement. First step, remove battery cable. Then you take off the plastic covering. There's this goes on the top. There's 3 holes on the bottom. There's Phillips head screws. Goes on the bottom. You take that off, and you can get at the switch. And there's a screw on top and a screw on the bottom, and the electrical connection on the back. And this is the new one. Then we're going to put that in. I removed the 2 screws, one here, one here. Just comes off straight out. And then I will remove the electrical connection. Alright, now we'll put the new one in. Alright, and there's the new switch. All connected. One screw on top, one on the bottom. Just slides in, no big deal.